will explain our ongoing investigations about the effects of music on plants.
So, we are a group number 4 in our topic, investigating the effect of music on plant growth. Before we formally start, let me introduce you myself and my group mates. I am Luigi Gonzaga, together with
I'm Nestil Cabañas. I'm Shella Dableo.
I'm Camille Balabat.
I'm Kurt Justin Ricciardo.
I'm Marcel Ampa.
So, what is the effect of music on plant growth? Playing classical, rock, or jazz music tends to increase plant growth, while harsher metal music induces stress. This could be because the vibrations from metal music are too intense for plants and may overstimulate their cells.
So this is what we are doing from beginning of our investigation.
First of all, we plant 3 identical plants. After we plant, we put plants to different types of music. This music is classical music, jazz music, and rock music.
We have measured the 3 plants before we play the music. So we know if the plants move to the music. Those 3 plants have the same size of 9 centimeters.
After we measured the plant and started playing the music at the same time an hour.
Every day we play the plants, and after 2 weeks, we saw the change of the plant and it grow. We measured the 3 plants again. Each plant grow, and the size of the classical music was 18 centimeters. So it really changed a lot because after investigating it was 18 centimeters and before investigating it was 19 centimeters. So there are 9 centimeters growth.
The jazz music after the investigation has a size of 12 centimeters and before it has a size of 9 centimeters, so it also grew 3 centimeters.
The music rock, after investigated, had size of 12 centimeters and the one before had a size of 9 centimeters. So there was also 3 centimeters that has grown.
So this is a plant before our investigating, and this is the one after the investigation. So as you can see, there is a real difference between after and before our investigation, and all the results of our investigation are positive. So why put music on the plant? How can plants hear? How could music affect plant growth if plants don't have ears? Kung gusto mong malaman, pakinggan natin si Miss Balabat.
Sounds travels through a medium as waves, causing particles vibrate. When you turn on a radio, sound waves makes your eardrums vibrate, which your brain translates into music. Similarly, plants can send sounds vibration through they don't hear the music.
So ayun, narinig natin na kapag binubuksan natin ang radyo o ang musika, ang tunog na naglalakbay sa isang daluyan o ugat bilang alon, maaaring makadama ng tunog na panginginig ng boses ang halaman kahit na hindi naririnig ang musika. So this is the reason why the plant grows easily when it is played. And that's all our explanation about the result of our investigation on music and plants. Again, I am Luigi Gonzaga, together with
Nestil Cabañas,
Shella and Dableo.
And Camille Balabat.
And Kurt Justin Ricciardo.
I am Marcel Ampa.